Hey, my name is Victor Basantes.
My name is Pohan Wu.
And myself, Swapnil.
And we created the Xighting Ball for TI's Intern Design Challenge. When choosing a project, our main goal was to create something that will show how easy it is to set up and use the MSP430 while still having the advantages of using a full-featured microcontroller.
So for this project, this component definitely is the MSP430. We got two from PI, and then we also use the boost package capacity touchpad come with that. And then we also really use a lot about the TI free sample program. And then we got stuff such like TI L293H bridge, 2N222 transistor. And then the big item we bought would be step motor. And as you can see, there's a bunch of LED lights over there. The overall project for this one is it's really not much. I mean, since we got most things for free from TI, the big item here really just the step motor and LED light, which costs about $40.
So there were really three major parts to this project. The first thing was we had to physically build the ball, right? So we had to take the ball, the acrylic ball, and we had to make 60 holes for the 60 LEDs that this thing has. We had to cut up an acrylic sheet so we can actually hold the ball on the motor, and we had to make holes on the base to fit the touchpad and the motor. The main challenge when doing this was finding a way, as you can see, to uniformly measure the distance between the LEDs vertically and horizontally. And the way that we got around that was we just created our own measuring tape, and we used that to find a way, to find a pattern that we can use to have a uniform strip on each single column.
And the second part for this will be the circuit design. So first of all, you need to go online, and then our strategy is try to find as many free stuff as we can use, and then design a circuit based on that. And the hard part for that one is actually as you can see, will be the soldering. I mean, the 60 LED light bulb, and then only the opening is only the buttons, small tiny little thing. So it's really hard to go in, if you know what I mean.
The final stage was programming of these LED patterns, creating drivers for the stepper motor, and implementing the touchpad so that a person can manually rotate the ball depending upon the gestures of the touch. Now this is what a touchpad looks like. It has a proximity sensor, which means initially it's in idle mode, and when you just need to tap it to get it into active mode. And depending upon your gestures in this wheel, clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can actually rotate the ball. That is the end of our presentation. Hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making this. All the source code and material are available for download.
So I mean, you can either download and build it by yourself, or if you feel lazy, you can definitely email us, and then we can make you one for you just for a low price, maybe about $500.
It's a low price.
It's a good price. All right, I guess it's about time for us to party this thing up.